Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm a UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and what I'm going to show you today is this box, which is Paper Pumpkin. Now, if you don't know what Paper Pumpkin is, it's a subscription box which is available in North America, and we're lucky to have a box for this month. As I say, this is sort of like a one-off. They're going to try and start them doing a little bit more regular, but this is the first one this year. So we have beautiful bumblebee colour on the front, and I'll just open it up. So what you receive in these boxes, we have Share the Sunshine, and that's the CEO of Stampin' Up. You always receive a ink pad. I'm just going to undo this. Then we have the stamp set. And I'm just going to put some white pet card at the back of that so you can actually see it better. Something white. So we have a little something to brighten your day. Then we have Sunshine, You Are Loved, Sending, Hello, Smile. Then you've got a sun, and you've got these lines and dots. So that's the stamp set you get. And then here is the kit. Just need to remove that. So this is what you're going to get. I'm just going to open it up for you. It's like double wrapped. So we have some like sticky sequin gems. There are some mini dimensionals. We have envelopes, got beautiful gold foiling on them. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 envelopes. Then we have some really bright and vibrant dies already pre-printed. So you've got a lemon, a pineapple, the sun, and some leaves. So you get five sheets of those. Beautiful colours. And then this is the background. So you've got, it's sort of cut out, if you can see. These are stickers. So it's black and white dots, and then these are your cards. So you've got 2 there with the gold foiling. You have some more of the pineapple, sun, and lemons, and they're stickers. And then you have this panel as well. You have your labels to stamp on with gold foiling on. And then here are your cards. 2, 3, 4, 6. And then We've got your glue dots. So you've got everything complete there, and then you've got your instructions in here how to make them, and then on the back you've got your colour diagrams. And there we go. So this is such a fun, bright set, and what you can do afterwards is the box, you can decorate it and actually post it off. The idea is that you send some sunshine to somebody else. So you fill your box with lots of yellow things, yellow sweets or whatever you want, and then send it on to somebody else to bring some sunshine to their life. So there we go. There are your paper pumpkin card pack. Absolutely lovely, vibrant colours. And depending on where you are in the country, it's either going to match the mood or cheer you up. So there we go. So that was the quick unboxing of the paper pumpkin. Now if you'd like to purchase this, I will put a link below. One of the things that isn't included in this kit is a stamping block. So if you've already got a stamping block, that's fine. If you haven't, you'll have to purchase one. So I would recommend a D block. That seems to be a good size for lots of stamps. I mean, you can go smaller, but as I say, a D block is quite a good size. Now the other thing that's happening this month is demonstrators are allowed to order the new Stampin' Up cut and emboss machine. Now this won't be released to customers until September the 1st. However, if you want to become a demonstrator, then it'll be £99 to become a demonstrator, and you can choose the Stamp Cut and Emboss machine as part of your startup package. So to become a demonstrator, it's £99 and you can order £130 worth of product. So the Stamp and Cut and Emboss machine is £112. So then you have another £28 to spend on other items. So if you want to get the machine at a discount, because you'll only pay the £99 for your starter kit, then please click on the link down below and start to fill in your application to become a demonstrator. I think this is a brilliant time to become a demonstrator, and you can choose anything out of the annual catalogue or the autumn winter catalogue as part of your starter kit as well. So you can mix and match however you want to put your starter kit together. There's no set thing you have to buy or put in your starter kit. You choose that yourself, and once you become a demonstrator, then you can start saving 20% on your consecutive orders. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little video showcasing the paper pumpkin box, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.